Hey guys, how you doing? I hope all of you are okay, so let's get down to the business. I'm gonna show you how to install Python in simple steps. So first of all, we're gonna open our browser and type Python. Click on the first option, navigate on downloads, and click on this option, Python 3.14. Now open the File Explorer, go to Downloads, and here we have the file. So double click on it, click on Customize Installation, next, and make sure that you have selected the 5 first options. Click on Install, allow the permissions, now click on Disable Path Length Limit. So guys, this is very important. Make sure that you have clicked on this option, okay, because it's for the proper functionality of Python. Okay, so click on that, allow the permissions, and we can close this one. Now, to verify that we have installed the program, we can open the command prompt system, run as administrator, allow the permissions, and we can type Python version, enter, and now we can see the latest version of Python. And also, if we open IDLE and if we use the command print subscribe, it should work. And as you see, it is working normally. So that will be all for this video, guys. I hope it was really helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.